everybody. Thank you all so much for tuning into my channel. I am showing you all my new stove. I got a new stove to match my over-the-stove microwave. Now this microwave is a GE and my stove is a Samsung. Now this stove I got for a very good deal. I purchased this stove off of the marketplace on Facebook for $550. Now this stove retails at $7.99, so it is an $800 stove. So yes, I caught this stove on a very good deal, $550. And y'all, I am showing you the top of the stove. It is a 30-inch smooth surface, 5 elements, and it is 6.3 cubic feet, self-cleaning oven, freestanding, electrical range, and it is fingerprint resistant, stainless steel. And what I like about this oven, because it is self-cleaning. Now on the panel of the stove, it has bake, roast, and it has broil. On top of the stove, you have an area that you can keep your food warm. The stove, you can steam clean or it can self-clean. Easy cook, slow cook, bread proof, dehydrates, and of course it has the timer on and off button, cooking time and delay start, all that good stuff. Yes, and I'm showing you on top of the stove how if you want to fully cook your food, you can turn it all the way to the right and it will burn in a full setting. I'm showing you the full setting right now of the stove in case you want to, cook your food a little faster. And then on the other, now that is the warming center. In case you want to warm your food, you put it right there in that warming element right there. And as I turn the stove off, it goes off quickly. Now, I forgot to show you what I poured into my sink. This cleaning product, it is called Presto Mint Oil. It's a cleaner, deodorant, and a degreaser. So I'm going to wipe my stove down right quick. And then I am going to spray my stove down with this Clorox all-purpose cleaner. Now the lady that I bought this stove from, she had already cleaned the stove, deep cleaned it for me, but I am going to go back over it and wipe it down. So next I will be getting me a new refrigerator, because this refrigerator that I had it for a while now. I had it for a long time and it's kind of leaking water. So I am in search of a new refrigerator. I don't want a water and ice dispenser in the front of it anymore. I just want a regular refrigerator that I can just grab ice from the inside. So I would like to have a freezer at the bottom and with 2 doors on the top. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not really into the side-by-side, but if I can find a reasonable refrigerator, I'll go ahead and get it. So I'm in search of a new refrigerator, so I'll be looking in Home Depot and Lowe's as well. So if I can find it on a marketplace at a reasonable price and it looks good and it works good, I will get it. Y'all, I am loving this stove. I have cooked on it already. I am loving this stove. And I also want to thank my mom. She found it for me on the marketplace because she knew that I was in need of a stove and was looking for one. So I am so thankful for my mom that she got in touch with the lady and, and we took it from there. So here I'm showing you that I'm going to have to get a aluminum lining in case I bake something and I don't want anything to spill in the stove. So right now I am going to lay some aluminum foil at the bottom of the stove. I don't think I really have to do that because this is pretty much traditional. So I'm going to see what happens. I don't know if I really have to put aluminum foil in there because it is a self-cleaning, you know, oven. So we will see. So the bottom of the stove is a pull-out drawer. Now you know we used to keep pans underneath the stove, but I don't think I will put any more, you know, baking pans or anything underneath the stove, because what I hear that this drawer here is made for keeping your food warm as well, like your cornbread. If you want to put your cornbread down up in there to keep it warm, that's what it's made for. So I will not be keeping any more cake pans or bundt pans underneath. So it will only be made for keeping my cornbread or dressing or what have you warm. Yeah, I forgot that I had this streak-free stainless steel cleaner and polish spray. So it can be for your stove, it can be for your microwave, refrigerator, and dishwashers. Those, you know, items that are of stainless steel. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and please come back because you never know what I may have next for you. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.